Is it time to buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor stock? In this video, we will explore Taiwan Semiconductor in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 14th of April, 2025, and we are here now to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You definitely do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of April, 2025, our system has ranked Taiwan Semiconductor as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.24. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 3.12%. This translates to an average return of 1.04% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decreases within this trend. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of -28.8% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -37.41% to -24.37%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 22.62%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 11.78% to 84.35% over the next year. In current terms, this would translate to a future price situated between $174.19 and $287.29. Our latest daily update for Taiwan Semiconductor brings the headline: a challenging day on Monday for Taiwan Semiconductor stock after experiencing a loss of nearly 0.8%. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 14th of April, 2025, the stock price for Taiwan Semiconductor decreased by nearly 0.8%, declining from $157.08 to $155.84. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations of nearly 3%, reaching a low of $154.03 and a high of $158.59. Over the past 10 days, the stock has fallen in 6 of those days, resulting in an overall decrease of just over 6%. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the same day, which typically signals a healthy market trend, as volume should align with stock movement. On that day, trading volume decreased by 467,000 shares, with a total of 17 million shares transacted for approximately $2.71 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $226.40 and its lowest price of $125.78. Presently, the price is approximately 31%, or $70.56, lower than the 52-week high of $226.40, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Recent developments for Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, suggest both short and long-term implications for its stock price. Notably, renowned investor Steve Weiss added TSM to his portfolio, which may indicate confidence in the stock despite a bearish market outlook. With the tech sector facing significant corrections, TSMC has emerged as a compelling buy for investors seeking value. A report highlights TSMC's stock price correction as a unique buying opportunity, driven by strong long-term prospects in artificial intelligence and data center demand. This positions the company as a leader in the foundry market, even amidst ongoing trade tensions and potential moderation in capital expenditures from hyperscalers. Analysts remain optimistic about TSMC, viewing it as a deeply discounted investment in artificial intelligence, which could attract more investors and positively influence its stock performance. Furthermore, TSMC is expected to report a remarkable 54% increase in first-quarter profits, although concerns surrounding United States trade policies could cloud this outlook. The company's excellent fundamentals and competitive advantages suggest resilience against these market headwinds. As TSMC continues to solidify its role in advanced chip production, Its current attractive valuation could support a positive outlook in both the near and extended time frame, fostering investor confidence and potentially driving its stock price higher. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned TSM an overweight rating, coupled with a hold action. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that Susquehanna rated TSM as a buy, also recommending a hold action. On the same day, Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, Needham assigned TSM a rating of underperform with a corresponding hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, Needham rated TSM as a buy, advising a hold action. On Friday, the 19th of July, 2024, it was reported that Needham again rated TSM as a buy, suggesting a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Taiwan Semiconductor stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Taiwan Semiconductor. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and so far it has risen by over 10%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Simultaneously, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in a general sell signal for the stock, leading to a more negative forecast. On further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $170.46. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $151.02. A breakout through the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a decline below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal and reinforce the general signal. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume is expected to follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 44 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 44 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 37 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 31 days ago. Remember to visit iPage at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $146.80 and $146.17. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Taiwan Semiconductor finds support just below today's level at $146.80. Then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $146.17 and $141.37. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $4.56 between high and low, or 2.96%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 7.70%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either a low expectation for the company's future performance or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 17th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.02. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Taiwan Semiconductor is at $158.75. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Taiwan Semiconductor faces its first support level at $146.80. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We hold a negative outlook for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a good buy? Taiwan Semiconductor displays several negative indicators, leading us to believe that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 15th of April, we anticipate that Taiwan Semiconductor will open higher by approximately 31.3 cents, starting at $156.15. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and may you have a wonderful day from all of us at StockInvest.